So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl again, Marceline. So today I'm just at home and I just decided, what if I take you for a nature walk and see the beauty of nature, right? So stay tuned till the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let's do this. Let's go. So right now I'm outside the gate. I'm going to turn on the camera to the other side so that you get to see the beauty of the surrounding. So this is just outside the gate, yeah, before tufike kwa barabara, then we turn. So if I see anything interesting, I'll be showing you guys. If I see anything interesting, stay tuned. So far so good, yeah. Sijui kama mtanisikia juu ya upepo. We are in the forest, the scary forests. Maybe to all the cool kids out here, even ndo spinach hupandwa ziko kwa shamba sahi. Cool kids, yeah, I got you. I told you I got you. Okay, so just to give you a hint, we are going to that forest. Hiyo yenye mnaona huko hiyo, that one, exact. And to my dear cool kids, if you see anything interesting, maybe a house you have never seen, yeah, just let me know so that I clarify everything to you, okay? Yeah, bado tunatembea. You're walking towards the forest, yeah. So how is the trip so far? Me, I guess so far so good. Yeah, tuko sawa. I can sing a song as we go, but first nimeona mtu hapa mbele. Let me just carry it. I'll be back. So nimefika hii place, kuna hii njia, kuna hii na kuna hii. Sijui tupitie gani. Wacha tupitie hii tukipata. So tufuate njia, tuende tu kwenye tutatokea. We good. So I promised sing. Okay, I'll sing location so that you ask me to send you my location. Oh Jesus. Okay. Send me your location. Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need a time and place to come true. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Guys, you have to see this here. That's why I love my area. Look at those sweet potatoes. Ama ni potato? Guys, tuko karibu na the forest. You can see it. It is really close. And guys, before I go, lazima muone hizi potatoes. Just look at them. Ni ukulima na maji. I can see the mkulima over there. Sitaki anione. Okay, sahi ameinama. Sijui kata niona, ni kama ananiona. Okay, tutaenda hivi. Nitajifanya hata si huko, lakini najua atachukuliwa video akifanya ukulima wake na maji. I hope mmemuona hapo hivyo. Yes. Here we go, here we are. Niko nimemalizia wimbo. At times I wonder what a fool with you. Here is the forest. Here is the forest. Here is the forest. So, unaona kale kamwanya huko hivyo, aka kamwanya aka ndo tutapitia. Yes. So, we are inside the forest. The beautiful forest. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Actually kumetulia, hakuna makelele, hakuna nini. Yeah man. Yeah. So, hapa hivi wacha nichukulie kwa hii angle. So, hapa hivi kuna hii forest na ni kama kuna a certain mountain imeenda juu. So, twende wapi? Tupitie wapi? Tupitie hapa hivi. Tuko karibu kufika sijui wapi. Actually, I don't know where we are. Tunaenda tu, tunatembea tu. Lakini tushamaliza kamlima. Ile mlima yenye niliwaonyesha tushamaliza. So, hivi ndo kunakaa. Yes, to relax hapa chini kiasi kwa sababu nasikia kufaint. Nimetulia tu hapa chini. Yes. The beauty of nature. I promised you. I told you. Si wangu shangi. Siwezi wa fail. Zi. Hava na idea. Wacha niweke hii simu hapa chini. Niwadansie kiasi. Mnione. I'm a great dancer. Guys, so far so good. So nimepatana na msee hapa hivi anachunga mbuzi hapa. Akaniambia I should not stay here for a while cause ati kumekuwa na cases of feces zimekuwa zikitokea na huku, so we gotta go back. Sijui kama naweza anza kukimbia no way. Turudi tu mos mdogo. Ya, kuna watu huko hivi, sijui kama mtawaona. Au ndo wameniambia huku kuna fisi. So turudi venye tulikuja. So thank you. Well guys, how do you like it so far? Well, as for me, I enjoyed the nature walk. So far so good, but we have to go back home. Nimekutana na msee hapa akaniambia I should not stay for long cause kumekuwa na cases of hyenas, I say. Yeah. So wacha turudi home, but tutarudi tu pole. Hakuna haraka, tuna haraka. So yeah. Like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Go take your friend's phone and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's grow. Let's do this together. So thank you for watching. Bye.